This is a quick video kind of showing you the process of a little project I'm working on using Adobe Spark Video. And maybe what's interesting about this particular example is that I'm creating it on a Chromebook. The advantage of that might be to some educators that this is what they have in their classroom. And of course, you have to use, for the most part, online services to do much with a Chromebook, and Adobe Spark is available online. So you can see my project here is really based on kind of a pictorial description of the African Big Five. I have had the opportunity to spend time in Africa, and as a part of that experience, have been able to photograph a lot of wildlife. Big Five often refers to the most desirable trophies for hunters. I'm not a hunter, but it's the same challenge finding the opportunity to take these pictures. So I've kind of have the project started here. I have one example of the Big Five, which is the African elephant. I'm going to show you how other components are then are added to this Spark video. So I'm going to come over here first of all and create a blank. And I'm going to move the blank where I want it, which would be here. And I'm now going to add a photo. It's a very easy process. And I'm going to upload a photo that I've stored on this Chromebook. And let's see, here it is. And so there I have added a picture of a Cape buffalo. I'm now going to label this picture, so I'm going to add another element to this particular slide. And very easy to move this around and put it up here, so it's kind of out of the way. And now I'm going to add some audio. This is the Cape buffalo. An interesting fact about this animal: while many may assume that other animals in Africa are much more dangerous, this isn't the case. The Cape buffalo actually kills more people than either lions or elephants. Okay, now just to kind of give you kind of a preview of what the finished product will look like, I'll just play my little video to this point for you. This is the Cape buffalo. An interesting fact about this animal: while many may assume that other animals in Africa are much more dangerous, this isn't the case. The Cape buffalo actually kills more people than either lions or elephants. So this is what what the product will look like, and I will include this video in a web page offering the completed project, but also some additional information about Adobe Spark. As you can see, it's easy to use. It creates a very nice finished product, and at least at this, a short with short videos, it's free to use